How to insert and format images in MS Word. Yes, you are listening right. Welcome to How to Do It. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to insert and format MS Word images in MS Word. First of all, requesting you like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Don't forget to comment down below. You like this video or you already know what I taught you. Let's begin the video. Yes, we don't have an intro to roll. Let's go to the MS Word. We are opening in MS Word and go to the click on where you want to insert an image and just go to the insert, go to the image, I mean picture, and just type your file's name, and voila, this file is inserted into your MS Word file. If you want to format it, just click over here and you can resize it according to yourself. You want to move rotate, you can rotate it according to yourself. And now it has a lot of format option over here. You can go to this menu bars format option, and if you want to make it oval, just click on all. And if you see bordered oval, you can do it bordered square or kind of portrait, and you can make it a little bit of 3D feel over here. You can do so you can change the formats from over there. And if you want to do much more, that click on right side, click on image and go to the text, wrap text, and go to this through. That means you can set up your image like this. Your text will be over here and image will be like this. So that's the way you can set up it. And you have to go to image and go to the text wrap, and top or bottom you can do, it's depend on you. Behind the text means your image will be behind the text, and if your content is visible over the image, you can do it like this. You can set up it accordingly. And if you want to set up in between these paragraphs, you can do so like this. And if you want to make more space, just make it a little big. So that's the way you can set it up. And now it has a lot of features also available. Go to the format option and go to the color option. You can change the color according to your requirement. What color you want, what color you need, you can choose it from over here. Now go to the correction and choose the color which you want to choose. So that's the way how you can format your images, and I love image formatting. Hope you understood that how you can do all these things. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.